Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Hermela, and if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, it would mean the world to me. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I will be doing a get ready with me, showing you guys my skincare as well as my makeup routine, which is going to be an everyday natural look. Today's video is actually sponsored by TULA, so I'm excited to show you guys my products that I love that have been working with me. As you guys know, I've partnered with them in the past. And so at the end of the routine, I will share with you guys a discount code to give you 15% off your order. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, starting off with one of my favorite products, which is their cult classic purifying face cleanser. I love using it to help remove any impurities, dirt, oil buildup. It also helps to remove makeup in the PM routine. TULA is a doctor-founded skincare and wellness brand that have products that are 100% clean and clinically effective. They're made with probiotics as well as superfoods to help feed your skin, leaving it feeling moisturized, glowing, and hydrated. I have to say I also really like the smell of this product. It really feels gentle on my skin and it really helps to exfoliate. I don't feel like my skin is ever irritated after using it, so I just like to make sure I cover my entire face and really cleanse it properly and focus on each area. Now that I'm done cleansing my face, I'll be using the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I love this product. I've noticed in the winter time I tend to have a bit more darker under eye as well as a bit more there on the drier side. So I love using this product to help hydrate and nourish my under eyes. It also helps to reduce any wrinkles or fine lines. So I really just apply kind of 1 to 2 swipes underneath, and it really helps to leave a cooling effect. And it really adds a bit more dewiness to my under eyes rather than just looking dry and dehydrated. Next, I'm excited to share TULA's new product, which is their Bright Start Vitamin C Antioxidant Brightening Moisturizer. It contains vitamin C, so it helps to brighten dull skin, helps to even skin tone, as well as reduce the look of dark spots from scarring or hyperpigmentation, which I experience when I get acne. I tend to go a little too crazy and cause scarring, and I regret it every time. So now that my skin is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and pump some into my hand and apply it to my skin. Like I said, it's lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy or greasy on my face. It's super hydrating. Last but not least, before I move on to makeup, I like applying their Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel. It does not leave a white cast on my skin, and it's great to put on underneath makeup. You can always reapply later in the day if you feel like you need some more, but I just love putting sunscreen daily because the sun is damaging and we have to protect our skin. And so I'm just gonna apply a generous amount. It also has a lovely glow effect after, so your skin doesn't look dull. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. As I mentioned, all of these products are made with probiotic extracts. Can you guys see this glow? Like, I would honestly be okay leaving the house with just this because my skin looks so hydrated and glowy. And like I said, there's no white cast, and it also doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy after applying this product. So skincare is good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my makeup. But as I promised you guys can go ahead and use my discount code, which is Hermela, and you'll get 15% off your next order. I'll have my link as well as the discount code in the description box down below for you guys to also have for reference. I hope you guys enjoyed that skincare routine. These are currently my favorite products from TULA. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on. Recently I had somebody ask me what my top 3 products are when it comes to everyday makeup, and personally for me it's always going to be eyebrows, foundation, and mascara. And I even mentioned that blush is a very close contender, but it's not always necessary. So brows are super important for me. I feel like they really define the face, especially when they're done. They also take like way less time. Literally just did my left eyebrow, and you can just kind of see the difference between the right and the left, and how it kind of gives me a bit more something. I always feel a bit naked if my eyebrows aren't done when I leave the house, so that's kind of why I love doing it so much. I like using the Born This Way Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I use the shade Butterscotch. I don't need much product. It'll just help to kind of perfect the eyebrows just a little bit. Clean up any of the mess I've made. Recently, I've kind of also only applied it to the bottom and not the top. I don't want to sculpt them too much and then they look a little bit unnatural. So I just apply it to the bottom of my eyebrows. Next, to hold my eyebrows in, I like to use the Refi Brow Gel. It dries clear. It's become one of my favorite products, and it really helps to hold my eyebrows in place. So that is it for my everyday go-to makeup that I have been loving. All of these products have really worked well with me. They suit my skin tone, my skin type, and they just make me feel like awake, confident, cute. I will have all of the products that I listed down below for you guys, and the shades that I use as well. I hope you guys enjoy both my skincare as well as my makeup routine. Like I said, you can use my discount code Hermela for $15 off of your TULA products. I highly recommend. I'll have the link down below in the description box like I mentioned. I hope you guys liked my routine. I feel like I should do more makeup routines for you guys, even though they tend to look the same. Very natural and not too crazy because I'm not good at eyeshadow or eyeliner. Sometimes it's hit or miss. But anyways, I hope you like this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you feel like subscribe to my channel, like I said, go ahead. It would mean the world to me. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.